Welcome back to the Bike Zone channel. Today we're diving into the Yamaha R15 V6, a bike that's been making waves in the sports bike segment. With its sleek design and impressive specs, it's definitely caught the attention of riders and enthusiasts alike. Let's explore what makes this machine stand out. Design and build quality. The Yamaha R15 V6 boasts an aggressive, aerodynamic design that reflects its racing heritage. The full LED headlamp and sharp bodywork give it a modern edge, while the color schemes appeal to both traditionalists and the younger crowd. The build quality is top-notch, with premium materials that ensure durability without compromising on weight. Performance. Under the hood, the R15 V6 is powered by a 155cc liquid-cooled engine, featuring variable valve actuation (VVA). This technology enhances performance across the rev range, providing a seamless power delivery that's perfect for both city commuting and spirited rides on the highway. The bike produces around 18.4 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful in its class. Handling and comfort. The R15 V6 is equipped with a Delta box frame and a fully adjustable suspension system, which provide exceptional handling and stability. Whether you're tackling sharp corners or cruising on the straights, the bike feels responsive and planted. The riding position is slightly aggressive, typical of sport bikes, but Yamaha has ensured that it remains comfortable for daily use. Features. One of the standout features of the R15 V6 is its advanced instrument cluster, which includes a digital display showcasing speed, RPM, fuel gauge, and even a lap timer. Additionally, it comes with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to access notifications and calls seamlessly. Safety. Safety is paramount, and the R15 V6 doesn't disappoint. It comes with a dual-channel ABS system, ensuring effective braking under all conditions. The wide tires also contribute to improved grip, enhancing overall safety and confidence while riding. Conclusion. So, is the Yamaha R15 V6 worth it? If you're looking for a bike that combines style, performance, and technology, this is a compelling choice. It appeals to both novice riders and seasoned enthusiasts. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews. Ride safe. Thanks for joining Bike Zone.